morning all of you. Last time we will already study the general characters of algae and basic account of this botany. In general character we will study the different diversity or various and variability may be observed in algal plants. There is about 18,000 different species of these algal plants, and they shows various and variability in different characters of the algal plants. Now we will study the classification of algae. The classification of algae according to G.M. Smith classification system. The G.M. Smith maybe classified these algal plants and then they published their system, classification system in 1955. This classification is totally based on important characteristic features of the algal plants. Which important characteristic features may be considered by these G.M. Smith? Rather than the G.M. Smith, the number of scientists also published the different classification systems of the algal plant. But in 1950, G.M. Smith modified this classification system on the basis of these important characters. The first important character is the presence of dominant chlorophyll pigments. Which dominant pigments are present in algal plants? That is the group of in that numerous algal plant, the different types of chlorophyll pigments may be present. Within that group of this chlorophyll pigment, which pigment is dominant? They consider one important characters. And second one, the presence of which dominant reserve of food material. The reserve of food material can be stored in which forms? This second important character may be considered for the classification system. And third one, the physiology of a vegetative cell. Next one, the morphology of motile reproductive gametes. And a last important character is the phylogenetic characters of the algal plant. On the basis of this important characteristic feature, the G.M. Smith may be classified the algal plant into 7 different divisions. That is, the classification systems maybe start from the kingdom up to the genus and species. The plant kingdom, then sub-kingdom, then group, then division, then class, then order, then family and species, genus and species. In this way, we will classify each and every plant according to IBM, Indian Botanical Nomenclature System. In this classification system, this Smith may be classified this algal plant into 7 different divisions. The first division is a cyanophyta. The second division is a chlorophyta. Third division is a euglynophyta. Fourth one, pyrophyta. Next one, chrysophyta. Next one, the phaeophyta. And last one is a rhodophyta. In this way, they may be classified the 7 important division in whole group of these algal plants. First, one by one, we will study the different characteristic features of each and every divisions. प्रत्येक डिव्हिजन ही वेगवेगळी का काढली, काय त्याच्यामध्ये महत्त्वाचे कॅरेक्टर्स इन्क्लूड केलेले आहेत. द फर्स्ट डिव्हिजन दॅट इज द सियानोफाइटा डिव्हिजन. दिस ग्रुप ऑफ दिस or those algal plant may be included in that cyanophyta division. These algal plants maybe shows the prokaryotic cell structure. Last time we studied the characteristic feature, the prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. That is, in a prokaryotic cell, the definite nucleus is absent. That is, the nuclear envelope may be absent. Nuclear material is present. That is important. This character may be included. All the plants may be shows the prokaryotic cell structure. The dominant chlorophyll pigment is phycocyanin. Which dominant chlorophyll pigment is present? The white phycocyanin is a dominant chlorophyll pigment may be present in that division. The third important characters, the dominant reserve food material. Which reserve food material is present? The myxophycean starch is an important stored food material may be observed in division of a cyanophyta. The next important character, generally in that division, the sexual reproduction is totally absent because in that algal plant all the cells may be shows the prokaryotic in nature. Due to prokaryotic nature, the definite gametes can't be developed, and if the gametes are present, there is no sexual reproduction. The next important character, that is this cyanophyta division, is commonly known as a blue-green algae. For example, that is the nostoc. Number of algal plants may be included in that cyanophyta division. The next important division is a chlorophyta. There is about 90% algal plants are maybe well grows in a freshwater conditions, and only remaining 10% of algal species or plant maybe grows in marine water. The next important character of this chlorophyta, the dominant chlorophyll pigment is chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, and carotenes are the dominantly present in this chlorophyta. The next one, the reserve food material in a chlorophyta may be in the form of starch. The next important character, the sexual reproduction. The sexual reproduction may be isogamous, unisogamous, or oogamous type in a chlorophyta group of algal plants. The motile organs or motile gametes in that algal plants may be biflagellate or quadriflagellate in nature, and this division is commonly known as green algae. या डिव्हिजनच्या algal plant आपण काय म्हणतो? Green algae. This is the blue green algae. The third important division is the Euglenophyta. These algal plants or those algal plants may be included in that Euglenophyta division. These plants may be shows the flagellated unicellular flagellated structures, and most of the species may be well grows in a freshwater condition, and only few species may be grows in a marine water, in a terrestrial forms. This Euglenophyta, the reserve food material, actually the dominant chlorophyll pigments of this Euglenophyta is chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, and xanthophyll is dominantly present in that algal plants, Euglenophyta member. Generally, the sexual reproduction may be rarely observed in Euglenophyta algal plants. And last important, these algal plants are commonly known as green, brown algae or greenish brown colored algae is a common name of this Euglenophyta. And next important division, that is the pyrophyta algal plants. Generally these pyrophyta algal plants are unicellular and colonial forms. They may be habitat of these algal plants. They may be live or maintain their life in a colonial forms, and generally these algal plants may be unicellular. Most of the algal plants may be grows in marine water, as well as few ones are fresh water conditions. Actually, the reserve food material or dominant chlorophyll pigment, first dominant chlorophyll pigment of this pyrophyta is chlorophyll A, beta carotene and xanthophyll is the dominant chlorophyll pigments are present. The reserve food material may be in the form of which reserve food material is present in pyrophyta? Actually, oil and starch. In Euglenophyta, oil and lipid is present, while in a pyrophyta, oil and starch is dominantly present as a reserve food material in pyrophyta members. These plants or this pyrophyta algal plants separated into two classes. The first one is Desmophyceae and second class is Dinophyceae. Then next important division is a Chrysophyta division. These Chrysophyta members